I'm going to cover how to configure your Dropfort update module to be used with Drush and your user authentication token from Dropfort.com. This allows you to access information from Dropfort which requires authentication, for example, to allow you to download your custom modules on a fresh server or site installation. You can find everything we discuss here in the Dropfort documentation available at docs.dropfort.com. So in the docs, we're covering the Configure Dropfort Update and Drush section. To get started, let's log into app.dropfort.com. Log in here. So once you've logged in, go to the My Account link in the user menu. And then look for the Services Token tab. So on this page, this will show you your current authentication token. If you don't already have one here, just click the Generate Token button. You can also reset the auth token on this page as well by clicking this box. We'll leave this token here. I'm going to go switch to my terminal where I want to configure Drush. This can be your local machine or a server while you'll be working. Alright, so I'm going to go to my home folder and I'm going to look for a .drush folder. If you don't already have a .drush folder, like me, you can run drush status and we'll generate that folder for you. There we go. Next, we're going to go into that folder and download the Dropfort update module from Drupal.org. Once we have that in place, we either need to create a drushrc.php file or modify your existing one. You can check the Drush documentation on what the drushrc.php file does, but in essence it allows you to define default options or settings when running Drush commands. We're going to add a setting to store your Dropfort user auth token and the URL to your Dropfort site. So since I don't have a drushrc.php file already, I'm going to copy the example one that comes with Dropfort update. For those who already have one, just copy the two options in that example file to the bottom of your file. So to do that, I'm going to copy the example drushrc into the current directory and rename it. I'm going to edit that file. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the Dropfort user auth token, and it comes with a dummy value. So we're going to replace that with your auth token. Just copy it, paste it in, and then down here you also have the option to define the URL for the Dropfort instance you're connecting to. In most cases it will be the app.dropfort.com URL. So save the file, and that's it. Drush will now use your user authentication token when it needs to authenticate against Dropfort.com.